Hi everyone, my name is Himani Sharma and I'm an overseas education counselor from past 12 years. Today in this video, I will be talking about the 5 important points that you should keep in mind while applying for an education loan for your international education. The first in the list is your CIBIL score. The higher the CIBIL score, the better chances to get a loan approval because it reflects a responsible financial behavior. The second important point to consider is that you should not file the multiple applications. You should not reach out to several lenders at the same time and submit your applications to majority of lenders. Why? Because this may reflect that you are not financially stable. Also, it may reflect and reduce your credit score. The third important point to keep in mind is choose your university and your course very wisely. So it means that you should be very sure about which course and the university you're applying to. The university must be a reputed institution because nowadays all these banks have a list of institutions that they are helping out, and also they have the list of the programs on which they are helping other students for an education loan. Herein, I'll quote an example. One of my students applied to a university in USA and he applied for an MBA program, but his loan was not approved, mentioning the reason that MBA is not a STEM-based program. So I made his application for the Masters in Business Analytics program and his loan was being approved. Now, this does not mean that the MBA program is not being sponsored by the banks or you're not going to get an education loan on the MBA program. What I mean to say is that you please reach out to the banks and be very sure about the programs and the courses that the bank is actually helping out for an approval of a education loan. The fourth important point is that you should be very much aware about the rate of interest that are being offered. The nationalized banks are basically offering the low rate of interest as compared to the private banks, but private banks also have a range of rate of interest depending upon the profile of the student and depending upon the terms and the conditions of the bank. The last and the most important point is do not use the fake documents. Please refrain from using the fake documents or the incomplete documents to the bank because this may lead to your loan rejection. It questions the genuineness of the candidate. Also, it questions the trust that the bank can have on the candidate. Last but not the least, I request all the students sitting in different parts of the globe to do plant a tree in your lifetime so that we all together can help the future generations to breathe. Thank you so much for all the international updates on higher education. Do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Good luck.